The AutoShop inventory system is designed to help manage product, suppliers, and inventory operations in an organized and efficient manner. It provides users with a secure platform to monitor stock levels, track purchase orders, and generate meaningful reports for better decision making. This presentation will explain the different modules of the system starting from the login process up to inventory management, reporting and product registration to show how each part contributes to effective inventory control. Good day everyone! We will be presenting the different modules of the AutoShop inventory system. First is the login page, which serves as the entry point of the system. Users are required to enter their registered email address and password to gain access. This ensures that only authorized user can manage inventory data. There is also a registration option available for new users who do not yet have an account, making the system accessible while still maintaining security. Next is the dashboard, which provides an overview of the system current status. It displays summary information such as the total number of products, low stock items, total inventory value, and the number of products categories. Below this summary is the category distribution section, which shows the different product categories along with their quantities and total values. This page allows administrators to quickly monitor inventory for performance and identify issues at glance.
The inventory module displays the complete list of products stored in the system. Users can search for product by name, SKU, or supplier for faster access. The product table shows detailed information including SKU, product name, category, quantity, price, supplier, and stock status. This module helps ensure accurate tracking, updating, and management of inventory items. Next is Purchase Orders module, which manages all supplier orders. It provides a summary of total orders, pending orders, and pending orders value. Below the summary is a table that lists all purchase orders, which details such as purchase order number, supplier, number of items, total amount, order date, and order status. This module helps track procurement activities and monitor the progress of supplier orders.
The Reports and Analytics module provides insights into inventory and purchasing performance. It displays key metrics such as total revenue, pending orders, and pending order value. Users can filter reports by a selected date range, such as the last 30 days, and export reports for documentation and further analysis. This module supports data-driven decision-making through clear and organized reports. Lastly, the Add Product module allows users to register new products into the inventory system. It includes required fields such as product name, SKU, category, supplier, current quantity, minimum quantity, price, and storage location. An optional description field is also available. This module ensures that complete and accurate product information is stored in the system. That concludes our system explanation. Thank you for listening.